9 p.m. Sunday. I've been running these lathes all day. That's what I got. Brass GoPro knobs. I made them on my Craftsman lathe. Actually, I use both of my Craftsman lathes. So I use the little lathe here. I split the operations across both machines so I don't have to change any tools. And I got the time down to about 7 minutes apart. That's it. That's as fast as I can go, about 10 minutes apart. I do my cutoffs here. That's better than the parting tool. I drill and tap over here with no tool changes. I center drill, face, and cut the shoulder and knurl over here. I made a lot of chips today. That was pretty fun. Look how I've got that tool hanging out like that. It's just brass though.